Hi everyone and welcome. To this video, we're going to be looking at how to edit text in Photopea. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to edit your text in Photopea in 2025. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Photopea app on your mobile device. Then select the image or choose the image you want to edit from your photo library. The next step is to tap on the text icon if you want to add text to the image. Then select the text icon from the toolbar at the